Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hair shears is probably one of the most essential tools a woman can have in her beauty arsenal, whether she's a professional stylist or simply someone who enjoys keeping her locks looking fabulous at home, offering precision and control that can transform a haircut from amateur to salon-worthy with just a few snips, making them an indispensable item for anyone serious about hair care and styling. Number 5. Equinox Professional Razor Edge Barber Shears. Introducing the Equinox Professional Razor Edge Barber Shears. Crafted for precision and comfort, these shears are designed for professional use. Made from high-quality Japanese stainless steel, they offer exceptional sharpness and durability. Experience a clean, precise cut every time. With a 6.5-inch overall length, they provide the perfect balance for detailed work. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during long styling sessions. Featuring a fine adjustment tension screw, you can easily customize the blade tension to suit your cutting style. This allows for optimal control and smooth operation. These premium shears are ideal for all your hair cutting needs. Elevate your salon services with tools that deliver professional results. What we like? Experience precision with these professional-grade shears. The fine adjustment tension screw allows for customized cutting. If you're a stylist seeking ultimate control and a clean cut every time, these are for you. What people say. These scissors have eliminated the unexpected pull that sometimes shocks and hurts a bit. They are very sharp and very silent because the adjustment is perfect. The razor-sharp blades cut cleanly through all hair types without pulling, snagging, or creating split ends like dull scissors often do. The precision cutting ability allows for accurate, controlled cuts that give me confidence when working on my children's hair. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during longer cutting sessions, making detailed work much more comfortable. The Japanese stainless steel construction is exceptionally high quality with razor-sharp blades that maintain their edge even after months of regular use. The craftsmanship is evident in the smooth operation, precise alignment, and balanced weight distribution that feels professional in hand. The screw tension system allows for fine-tuning the blade pressure to achieve optimal cutting performance. Number 4. Tecto Professional 6.6 Hair Cutting Scissors. Introducing the Tecto Professional Hair Cutting Scissors. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for precision and durability. These 6.6-inch scissors offer the perfect length for detailed and efficient hair cutting. Experience unparalleled sharpness for clean, crisp cuts every time. Designed for both professional stylists and home users, they provide an extra sharp edge. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Whether you're a man or a woman, these scissors are designed to meet your hair cutting needs. They offer comfort and control for all users. Your new favorite cutting tool comes complete with a complimentary leather case. Keep them protected and ready for use wherever you go. What we like? Achieve sharp, clean cuts with these durable stainless steel scissors. The included leather case adds a touch of premium protection. For barbers or home users who value both performance and portability, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Using an elastic band to hold my hair in a low ponytail, I cut below it and was surprised how easily these scissors did the job. These scissors are lightweight, easy to hold, and cut the hair easily. They are very sharp and comfortable in the hand. Better for smaller fingers for sure, I have small hands. Number 3. Fcysy Professional Barber Hair Cutting Scissors Kit. Introducing the Fcysy Professional Barber Hair Cutting Scissors Kit. Achieve salon-quality haircuts with precision and ease. These professional shears are designed for sharp, precise cuts, perfect for thinning and styling. They ensure a smooth experience for both you and your clients. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential haircutting accessories you need. It's everything you need for perfect styling. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included stylish leather case. It's designed for durability and convenience. Whether you're cutting hair for women, men, or even pets, these shears are versatile. They are the ideal tool for any grooming task. This 7-piece set provides exceptional value and quality. Elevate your grooming experience with this professional hairdressing shears kit. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers versatility for all your hair cutting needs. With thinning shears and various accessories, it's perfect for detailed styling and complete transformations. If you're looking for a complete salon experience at home or a multifunctional tool for diverse hair types, this kit is ideal. What people say. They cut right through my coarse, wiry gray hair and perfectly thinned the poof out, to finalize a perfect pixie. Good quality, easy to use, pretty shape and has a nice case for storage. I like how you can store everything so easily, they fit in there very comfortably. They're honestly so easy to use and it cuts my hair cutting time by a lot. It very smooth to use for people who are just starting to cut their hair home, and all the accessories that came with was very nice. Number 2. ULG Professional Barber Hairdressing Scissors Kit. Experience superior quality with these professional scissors, crafted from 100% Japanese stainless steel. Their hand-sharpened edges ensure an even trim without damaging hair ends. Achieve a clean, precise cut every time thanks to the exceptionally sharp blades. The elegant design, featuring diamond stones and a mirror polish, adds a touch of luxury. These thinning shears effectively reduce hair volume with their 30 teeth, perfect for adding layers or texturizing thick hair. Achieve stylish, customized looks with ease. Designed with an offset grip, these scissors reduce strain on your thumb and wrist. Enjoy effortless comfort, making them ideal for both professional and home use. This kit includes both cutting and thinning shears, along with a 12-month warranty. You'll receive a meticulously polished tool, ready for your styling needs. What we like. Achieve effortless styling with these ergonomically designed shears. The precise thinning rate is perfect for adding texture and layers. If you're a professional or home user with thick hair or seeking to create volume and movement, the comfortable grip and thinning capabilities make this a standout option. What people say. Very sharp and easy to hold in my hands. These are super sharp and a great addition for the at-home barber. The scissors are really sharp. I cut my own hair and this tool makes it much easier. Number 1. ULG Professional Hair Scissors 6.5 inch. Introducing the ULG Professional Hair Scissors, designed for precision and comfort. These 6.5 inch shears are perfect for all your haircutting needs. Crafted from high-quality Japanese stainless steel, these scissors ensure durability and long-lasting sharpness. Experience the difference quality materials make. Featuring a razor-sharp edge, these barber shears provide clean and effortless cuts. Achieve salon-quality results every time you use them. Each pair is meticulously hand-sharpened to guarantee optimal performance. You can rely on their precision for intricate styling and detailed work. Designed specifically for right-handed users, these shears offer an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. Reduce hand fatigue during extended use. These professional shears come in an attractive blue finish, adding a touch of style to your grooming tools. They look as good as they perform. What we like. Enjoy a smooth, precise cut with these expertly hand-sharpened shears. Designed for right-handed users, they offer exceptional sharpness and control. If you prioritize a classic, reliable tool for everyday haircuts and value the craftsmanship of hand-sharpened blades, these are a solid pick. What people say. They are solid metal, perfectly weighted and are sharp, so be careful around those ears. They also have rounded tips, a beautiful gem at the pivot point, and a nice ergonomic grip, all of which combine to make these a beautiful and functional set of scissors. Right out of the box they were sharp and easy to use, and I was able to trim my own hair and do some basic layering without any issues. They feel lightweight but still comfortable in the hand, and I like the ergonomic grip. It makes a difference if you're cutting for more than a few minutes. They are the same length as my old shears but sharper and more durable. Also, the quality is great, especially for the price. It takes half the amount of time I was cutting with my old shears. The thickness of the shears, I would say, is comparable to the ones I am already used to. It's perfect and fits in my case excellent. They speed through the hair I'm cutting with great accuracy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.